Exterminating Bedbugs. The Do-It-Yourself Approach. Presented by the Bed Bug Training Institute. The sight of a bedbug can send even the most rational people into a panic. But don't fear, bedbug infestations can be eliminated, and you can do the treatments yourself in a way that will fit your schedule and budget. It will take diligence and consistency on your part, but you can treat a bedbug infestation in your home for good. Our 5-step guide to your DIY bed bug treatment will cover the following. Determining if you have bedbugs. How to prepare for a bed bug treatment. How to treat a room for bedbugs. How to treat a mattress for bedbugs. The importance of repetition in bed bug treatment. Not sure if you actually have bedbugs? Do I have bedbugs? The only way that you can declare that there is an active infestation of bedbugs is to find live bedbugs are viable, able to hatch eggs. There are many other signs of a bedbug infestation such as shed skins, blood spots or fecal spots, but these by themselves only show that there was a bedbug infestation at some time. That infestation could still be active, or it could have been eliminated, or it could have died out on its own. The following are signs of a bedbug infestation. 1. Live bedbugs. You must find one or more live bedbugs, or healthy, unhatched eggs, before you can say there is a bedbug problem at the site today. Anyone can find live bedbugs in a heavy infestation, but live bugs are difficult to find in the earlier stages of an infestation or when there is only a small population of bedbugs. In addition to your visual inspection, there are detection tools available such as bedbug monitors and traps, and canine scent detection, bedbug sniffing dogs. All of these detection tools can find live bedbugs when used properly, but all have limitations and significant error rates. Shed skins and dead bedbugs. In order to grow, a bedbug nymph will molt, or shed its skin, 5 times. The old exoskeleton that is left behind is tough and long-lasting. The empty, shed skins are the same general size and shape of the bugs that shed them, except they are empty and translucent. Be careful that you don't confuse shed bed bug skins with those of cockroach nymphs or dermestid beetles. Good bed bug hiding places will often have a large accumulation of these shed skins. Finding bed bug shed skins confirms that there were bed bugs at the location at one time. Inspect for live bedbugs immediately around the area where you found the skins, since it is now a known bed bug harborage site. Look at the skins closely because small bedbug nymphs sometimes hide inside the shed skins of larger nymphs, and adult females sometimes deposit their eggs in shed skins. As with shed skins, finding dead bedbugs only confirms that bedbugs were at the location at some time in the past. The carcass of a bedbug remains intact for a long time, for many months or perhaps even years. 3. Bloodstains. Bloodstains are not the same as bed bug fecal spots. Brown or red rusty blood spots found on sheets, pillowcases and clothing are from both bed bugs and their victim. Blood often drips out of the anus of a bed bug just before it completes feeding on its host. Then, as the bug pulls out its beak, the person's bite wound typically bleeds a little. But, bloodstains on bedding are not, by themselves, indicative of a bed bug infestation, either past or present. Other spilled liquids leave brown or rusty stains, and not all bloodstains in a bed are caused by bed bugs. Bloodstains do not easily wash out of fabric, so you can't estimate their age. You also may find blood smears on the wall, usually located next to the bed. These are from residents smashing recently fed bedbugs. 4. Fecal spots. The digested blood in the gut of a bedbug is deposited as semi-liquid, black feces. As the feces dry, it leaves behind a black, slightly raised spot. Bedbug fecal spots look somewhat like those left by the German cockroach, but they feel smooth rather than rough textured. If you wet a bedbug fecal spot, it will smear, while the fecal spot of a cockroach will not. You often will find large numbers of fecal spots in bedbug harborage sites such as along seams of mattresses. Fecal spots are useful for pinpointing bedbug activity areas and potential treatment sites. But as with bloodstains, fecal spots are long-lasting and may be from a previous infestation of bedbugs. Bed bug eggs. Bed bug eggs are small, translucent white and difficult to see, especially when they are inside cracks, crevices, or holes or laid on light-colored surfaces. A female bed bug lays 1 to 3 eggs each day that will hatch in 7 to 10 days at room temperature. The eggs are covered with a sticky substance that attaches them to rough surfaces. Eggs are often found in clumps in harborage sites, but since females often wander, isolated eggs can be found far from the bed. These isolated eggs are very hard to find, hidden inside a screw slot, fabric seam or under the edge of a chip of paint. Viable eggs confirm active bedbugs, or at least the potential for active bedbugs once they hatch. You can only be sure that an egg is viable once it hatches, but there are indications of egg health. Viable eggs are white and plump, not dried up or shriveled. 2 or 3 days before hatching, 2 bright red eye spots will appear inside near the cap end of a viable egg. A bed bug egg that has already hatched will have the top cap end opened, no embryo inside and may be crumpled looking. This is a picture of bedbugs at every stage of life. The adult is about the size of an apple seed. All are visible to the naked eye, including the egg. These are the places you should check. Don't take any shortcuts and go slow. They can be easy to miss. If you don't find evidence, and are only getting bites, it may not be bedbugs. There will always be evidence of bedbugs after a few weeks to a month of having them. You just have to find it. Note how small they can be, and there will not be a lot of evidence at first. Gross, right? This is a bedbug with some instars, eggs, shell casings and droppings on wood. Droppings on wood. These can be found anywhere but are often at joints. Bed bug droppings on a mattress. Okay, you know you have bedbugs. What's next? Before you begin your own bed bug treatment, you will need to prepare the room or rooms where bedbugs have been found, in addition to rooms that share walls with the infested rooms. Extermination preparation. Prior to extermination, remove all bedding from mattresses, gather all linens, clothing, etc. from closets and dressers. Put them in the dryer for 20 minutes on high heat. Nothing should be under the bed, or on the closet floors. Declutter the house as much as possible. There should be no clutter on the floors. Vacuum entire house including under the bed and closets, including along all moldings and baseboards. Empty wooden nightstands that are next to the beds and remove drawers if possible. Bedbugs can and will seek refuge between the boards of wooden furniture. Remove any paintings or art from the walls. Be sure to thoroughly check any item that is removed from the room to prevent bedbugs from being transferred from room to room. If you have a mattress that is heavily infested, we recommend covering it with a bed bug-proof mattress cover or bed bug mattress encasement before treating, or very thoroughly vacuum it to remove any bedbugs and eggs. Extermination. These are general instructions. The product you are going to use will have instructions for use as well. Depending on the state you live, your insecticide options will vary. Temprid FX, Tempo SC, Suspend SC, and Crossfire are all good products. Semexa Dust is better than Diatomaceous Earth, but depending where you live, you may not be able to get Semexa. When using both powder and liquid insecticides, it is very important to follow the directions in regards to application and protective gear needed. To get rid of bed bugs in a mattress, spray insecticide onto the mattress if labeled to do so. Focus on the seams, tufts, and folds and underside of the mattress and spray until the mattress is damp. Allow mattress to dry before remaking the bed with freshly laundered sheets that have been run through a dryer on high heat. Spray down the box spring as well, especially underneath. After your mattress has been taken care of, it's time to treat the rest of the room or rooms where bedbugs have been found and the rooms that share walls with infected rooms. Spray onto baseboards, in corners, around door and window frames, around bed frames, and under furniture. Do not broadcast spray an entire carpet or floor. Only repeat based on bed bug activity and label instructions. Some areas to pay special attention to. Bed and furniture legs. Treat the wheels, casters, posts, and legs of all furniture as bedbugs may be harboring there. Wall-to-wall carpets. Treat and spray along the edges of carpets and where carpets meet baseboards. Door and window frames. Spray around all door frames, window frames, and thresholds. Repeat only as needed. Bed bug traps can be placed under the legs of furniture and bed frames to trap bedbugs before they can climb onto furniture. This is also a good way to monitor an infestation. Additional areas to pay special attention to. Upholstered furniture. Inspect and treat any furniture in affected rooms. Much like a mattress, any tufts, seams, or folds will require special attention. Pay careful attention to the furniture legs and dust liners. Spot test an inconspicuous area first before applying to the rest of the furniture piece. Baseboards. Treat where the baseboard meets the wall, where the baseboard meets the carpet or floor, and any cracks in the baseboard. This will prevent bed bugs from crawling along or under the baseboard to access other rooms of the home. The entire bed, not just the mattress. Don't forget the box spring, bed frame, and headboard. Especially if the headboard is fabric. Treat along the corners, seams, stapled dust cover, and internal area of a box spring. Voids and screw holes in bed frames are a common hiding place for bedbugs, so be sure to inspect each one. Pictures and wall hangings. Remove from the wall and treat the back and corners of each. If needed, treat the cracks and crevices of any affected wall hangings. Wait until the spray is dry to rehang. It is important to vacuum the floors, baseboards, moldings and furniture including your mattress and box spring every day during this process. Depending on the severity of the infestation, it can take a minimum of several weeks, including repeat treatments. Failure to be thorough can prolong the process of getting rid of bedbugs and can make it harder to eliminate them. ****You must continue to sleep in rooms with bedbug activity to draw them out into the insecticide. *****. Good luck.